Hey, what's going on guys? This is Prabhat back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys that how you can get GTA San Andreas in your Android phone, and it is 100% working. Only one OBB file and one GTA San Andreas APK are needed. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. You need two things, which are Zarchiver and uTorrent. You can find both them in Play Store easily. Once you have both in your Android device, then you need to download OBB file and APK of GTA San Andreas. Link where you can find both is in the description. Click on that link, download APK, then simply download OBB file. Once you have downloaded both of the things, then you need to install APK of GTA San Andreas first. Then you need to paste OBB in the right directory. You can find your downloads file in the download section. Mine all the file saves in download section. Install APK. Then make sure that unknown sources are checked if you want to install external apps in your phone. After that, open Zarchiver, locate your downloaded OBB file, or just open uTorrent and open the OBB file, compressed OBB file, then extract it in the right directory, which is extracted in the Android, and then go to OBB section and just extract it. It will take like 2 to 3 minutes to extract it. And once you have done all the steps, then you can start your game. And if you have followed all the steps carefully, then I'm sure your game will run absolutely fine. If you have any question, make sure you comment down below. My name is Prabhat and I'm signing out. And why don't you see little gameplay before going somewhere?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.